Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and who doesn't love a pair of adorable shoes that go with basically anything? That's one reason that I got these pair of nude pumps from MIRAAZZURRA, because they are a beautiful neutral color that I can wear with so many different styles and colors. So when something is this cute, you always wonder, are they comfortable? Am I really going to be able to wear them every day? And I have to say that these are very comfortable. For one thing, they have a really nice cushion on the heel, and they're not so pointy that they pinch my toes. I don't have wide or narrow feet. I just have regular feet. And I wear a size 7.5, and that's the size that I got in these shoes. I would say they are true to size, and again, they don't pinch my feet. I especially love the heel on these. These are kitten heels. They're about 1.7 inches high, and they have a stiletto look to them, but they have a broader base, which I really like because that gives me more stability. These are slingback, and you can slip your feet into them really easily. They have a super cute buckle on the front that I really like. It's a nice accessory without being overdone or flashy. You can't go wrong with a pair of these super cute heels from MIRAAZZURRA. The kitten heel look is so adorable, and the pointy toes are just on point for this season. There's lots of colors and sizes, and you're sure to find the pair that's perfect for you. But that's just my point of view.